Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow our application to use our microphone in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To grant permission to use our microphone, we have to go to settings first. Then we're looking for security and privacy options right here. And in privacy menu, we have permission manager. In permission manager, we have every permission possible, but we're looking for our microphone. As you can see right now, 5 out of 20 installed applications are allowed to use our microphone. Let's add some more. I don't know. Gmail, ask me every time if you want to use my microphone. Yes, it's here. Chrome, allow only while using the application. And it's here. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video. Goodbye.